Pass that bitch to walk. It's getting cold outside.
What's up, YouTube? I am back. And look at me. I transformed, guys. I changed my hair again. So today we are in the kitchen cooking a actually, we're going to make a cheat code version today of who? General Tao Chicken. I'm saying it wrong. I know I'm saying it wrong, but that's the way we say it in New York. General Tao Chicken with white rice. So I bought a sauce that, of course, it has the stir fry, it has the whole ingredients. You see it, the chili flakes, everything is already in there. Normally when I'm watching anybody try to make this, they make their own sauce. But because I'm not Asian and I might mess up the sauce, I said, I'm gonna just buy it. So we're gonna try the sauce out. And of course, we're gonna need chicken breasts. We're gonna need cornstarch. We're gonna need some baking soda, an egg. I'm making broccoli on the side and I already have white rice cooking. So let's put on our gloves and get ready for some Asian cuisine. Let's get cooking, good lookings. All right, so I'm back with my chicken breasts. My breasts. All right. Why am I always dragging it? Y'all don't even stop me from dragging it. I just drag everything I'm doing. The breasts, the chicken breasts. I got these little cute tenderloin ones because I was gonna make something else with them, but I was just in the store and I saw the sauce and I couldn't resist trying to make this dish. So first what you want to do is cut up the chicken into little square pieces. Nothing too big, nothing too crazy. Nice little pieces. I'm gonna try to make some for my whole family. So with that being said, I'm gonna cut up all of these. I'm gonna use all of these. If it was just you or you and your partner, 2 chicken breasts is fine. Cut up. Gotta switch my gloves, you guys. All right. All right, so okay, I'm back. Had to get on my gloves properly. Why waste your time with me fighting with gloves? All right, so we're still cutting up our chicken to little square pieces. All right, so we got all the chicken cut up. We're gonna take our bowl and we're gonna dump those pieces in there. Dump all of them in the bowl. What you're gonna do now is you're going to crack an egg, and we're gonna mix this egg in. Just like say you're gonna fry some chicken and you make yourself a little egg wash type of thing going on. Get that egg all in there, get your hands all in there. All right, next we're gonna go in with some of the cornstarch, which instead of flour, which we're all used to always just frying things with flour, I'm gonna use cornstarch. Make it nice and crunchy. Cornstarch to me makes everything nice and crispy. All right. I wanna say, you know, a certain measurement, but you guys know me. I measure with the Lord. When the Lord tells me to stop. All right, so I mixed up the cornstarch and the egg. So where it's like a little bit of a, I'm gonna add like a soupy type of sticky type of thing going on. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna throw a little bit, I'm gonna say about a tablespoon of baking soda. about a tablespoon of baking soda. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna mix that in here too. And you should be having like a cornstarchy, wet type of batter. And then you're gonna just add a cup of water. Serving cup of water. Let's use a decent amount of cornstarch. I feel like I used enough. I added a little bit more so that it's a nice thick consistency but still soupy. That's why we added that water in there. All right, so right now we're gonna let the chicken sit. It should look like this. I'm gonna let the chicken sit in the fridge for a little bit, and then we're gonna take out the broccoli and set it aside, and then we'll be back and ready to fry. All right, so I steamed some broccoli, which I'm going to get them out, and then I think I'm gonna let them dry off a little bit. So I'm gonna get them onto my strainer, but I wanted to get them out of this pot because you don't want your broccoli super duper soft. Try not to leave them in there too long. They should have still a little bit of crunch to them. All right, so I'm gonna get the strainer and place it in the pot that I just used. I'm gonna drain them off. All right, so you're gonna leave these straining and cooling down. They'll be waiting on the chicken when we're done. All right, so let's get the chicken out. We're letting it sit in the fridge a little longer, about 20 minutes. Let them marinate in that batter that we made, and then we're gonna fry. All right, so I am gonna deep fry my chicken in my deep fryer because that's just what I'm gonna do. So of course, the chicken's been sitting and marinating. Tenderizing is the real word. And I'm just gonna put them in the deep fryer. A lot of people double fry, especially the Asians. I noticed that they fry them, get them all cooked up. But I'm gonna see where it takes me after the first fry and see if that's good enough, because to double fry, that's like, I feel like that's for experts. And this is our first time attempting this chicken. So I'm gonna load up the deep fryer and I'm gonna show you guys how'd it go after it's done cooking up. Let's dip these bad boys. Deep fry is on 400, but it still seems like it's not hot enough, but it's working out. So we'll be back. All right, you guys, we have been deep frying and I'm about to let these drain off, but so far I feel like they're done and we got a nice golden color. So I'm gonna fry the rest of them and then we'll get back with saucing. All right, guys, look at my chickens. Very demure. Very mindful chickens, aren't they? Can you see? So we got the sauce in the pan. I'm trying to heat it up a little bit so that it spreads. It smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. So I'm gonna let this heat up for a second, and then we're gonna start to throw our little chickens in. Look at them. Oh my gosh. I couldn't wait to show you guys the batch. Just look at it. Just look at it. All right, so we're gonna pour them in here. Just like so. Like this. And then let me get my stirrer. And I don't have a wok, of course. I definitely need to invest in one because now I am an Asian girly right now. Like, look at this. So with more chicken calls for more cornstarch, but don't overdo it with any baking soda, but a little bit more cornstarch because I had added in the beginning of the video. I put some in and then you saw me throw a few in throughout the way because I have so much chicken. Making this for the whole family. But look at this, you guys. Isn't it beautiful? So I don't have a wok, but I'm going to shake. Oh, it smells so good. This is a cheat code. I bought the sauce. I know people are going to go, girl, you didn't even make that sauce. I bought it, but it's just so delicious. And frying the chicken was really a challenge. I normally don't make cornstarch chicken. This is like a super, I'm not going to even lie, like a nice way to try and make some wings instead of using flour. Maybe I'll try one of those wings one day where I just use the cornstarch because I love the way this crust came out. So yummy. And it looks so good. So yeah, guys. Shake, shake, shake. And now let's get over to plate this bad boy. All right, guys, we're about to plate up. As you see, I got my broccoli that I made earlier. And of course, I told you I had some rice going. And our finished product is here. Let's get some of that into this plate. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. I love it. This is my first time, you guys, so don't eat me up too bad. Don't do me too bad. All right? This is my first time. I love, 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 love Asian food. I'm going to try soon to make some sushi vids with you guys because I want to attempt that too. But look at this. All right, so you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go get me a fork and then let's try it. All right, guys, I'm going to try my chicken. Let me show you guys one more time how delish. Oh my God. All right, I got to get rid of you guys so I can go eat. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell me some things you want me to make. Don't laugh at the way I made my chicken today. And come back to the kitchen so we could get cooking. Good looking. Bye.